Trulicity. Let's find out how to properly use Trulicity. If your doctor has prescribed you on Trulicity, you probably already know this is a type 2 diabetic medication, and it is indicated to help lower your hemoglobin A1C. It can also help your body make more insulin, it'll help lower the gastric emptying. So sometimes people tend to feel a little bit more full, and we can see some weight loss with patients who are on Trulicity. It comes in multiple doses, so the starter dose is 0.75. We have the 1.5 milligrams, 3 milligrams, and 4.5 milligrams. So whichever dose you want, it does not matter. The pen looks exactly this pen can actually help with that. And then of course next week you can use another pen.